Hi everyone and happy Sunday. I am back with the spot prize giveaway plan. It's the fun game that we've been playing, and we do have some more people to put into the second prize, but no one has won the main prize yet. So you know what that means? That means we have to add something else to the pots. So look, I have to show you these first. Look what I've been making yesterday. I've had so much fun with this die cut, and also the wonderful stamp set that the lovely Christine sent me. This one, oh no, I've made a mess. This indigo blue one. So I've been having a lot of fun. So thank you, Christine. And oh my gosh, making a mess. So look at these that I've been making. These have just turned out gorgeous. I've been using some of the other stamp sets and some of the lace from the AliExpress hauls. Look at this one. That is my fave. And I've been using some napkins and stamps. Look at this one with some fabric. How cute is that one? And look, the little pussycat one from the Alice in Wonderland stamps. Just too cute. Now I'm going to add that one to this pile. And been making these lovely, these are little pockets. These are coming up in an AliExpress haul that I'm going to be doing in the week. And look, so I'm going to add one of those to that pot as well. And I'm going to add this one to this one. So there's two more things added to the main prize and one to the second prize. Now, we do have someone else has said Mrs. Doubtfire. Now, a couple of you said it, but the first person to say Mrs. Doubtfire was Arlene Solly. So, Arlene, you are going in the for the spot prize. And then Sally Crafter said Moulin Rouge. Oh, yes, we love that film. I just absolutely love it, and just it is one of my faves. I've watched that a few times. Let me see if I can give you any clues to the other answers. Okay, I'm going to give you a clue to the number one answer. It is a rom-com. And if you took part in my, I think my last spot prize giveaway game, it was one of my favourite actors is in that film. So it's a rom-com and it has one of my favourite actors in it. That's the clue for today. That's for the main number one. I'm not going to give you clues to these ones yet. We'll have to see what happens. So that's it for today. I hope you have a lovely Sunday. Lots of goodies here. Look, these are all building. I'm sure you're doing this on purpose so that I add more prizes to the thing, but I'm only joking. Right, my lovelies, I am going. I shall see you all tomorrow, and let's see if we get a winner. So the clue for today for number one is that it's a rom-com and it has my favorite actor from my last giveaway in there. Let's see who gets it. Right, take care. See you all very soon. Love you guys. Bye.